In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence has become the driving force of innovation, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing our everyday lives, AI has proven itself to be a game changer. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues its meteoric rise, it brings along a pressing concern: regulation. AI-related controversies. AI incidents are unintended, negative outcomes, or side effects caused by artificial intelligence. They can result from various factors, including the quality of training data, programming methods, and usage. First, we have AI user incidents, which occur when users employ AI in unexpected ways, leading to unexpected results. Next, there are AI hallucinations, where AI generates outputs that seem correct but are incorrect. Lastly, adversarial AI involves deliberate manipulation by attackers to force AI systems into producing desired, potentially harmful outcomes. Here are some real-world examples of AI incidents that highlight the importance of addressing these challenges in favor of AI regulation. A self-driving car crashing into a pedestrian. A facial recognition system mistakenly identifies an innocent person as a criminal.
Confused Randall Reed on the side of a Georgia highway after he alleges facial recognition software had misidentified him as a theft suspect in Louisiana.
A chatbot generating offensive or harmful content, or a spam filter blocking legitimate emails. The rapid advancements in AI technology have left us grappling with profound questions. How can we ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly? How do we prevent biases and discrimination and protect our privacy in this digital age? In the realm of AI, voices of wisdom and caution have emerged. Listen to what these visionaries have to say. Elon Musk warns, we should be very careful about artificial intelligence. If not, we could create something beyond our control or understanding. Stephen Hawking's words resonate. Full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. AI could redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate, surpassing human limitations. Bill Gates advocates, we need a regulatory framework that encourages responsible AI development and use, ensuring it serves humanity. Sundar Pichai underscores, AI is crucial, but it must align with our values, benefiting all of society. These quotes echo the growing concern among experts and the public. As AI evolves, regulation becomes imperative to ensure its safe and ethical use. The world is waking up to the need for careful oversight and international cooperation. Governments, organizations, and scholars worldwide are coming together to address this complex challenge. Should we regulate AI? In the realm of artificial intelligence, the question of regulation looms large, a scale teetering between complex deliberations and societal impact. It is that, should we regulate AI? Arguments in favor of AI regulation. Firstly, let's dive into the arguments in favor of regulating AI, a discussion that balances technical prowess with ethical and societal responsibility. Ethical concerns. AI systems can unwittingly perpetuate biases from their training data, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. To prevent such injustices, regulation can establish clear guidelines for transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI development and deployment. Safety and security. AI has incredible potential, but also the potential for harm, especially in fields like autonomous vehicles and healthcare. Regulation can set safety standards and security protocols, ensuring AI systems do not pose unreasonable risks to individuals and society. Privacy protection. AI often involves processing personal data, sparking concerns about privacy violations. Regulations can enforce data protection and privacy measures, safeguarding sensitive information from misuse and unauthorized access. Economic and job concerns. The rapid AI advancement has brought concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. Regulation can promote responsible automation, workforce transition programs, and measures to distribute AI's benefits more equitably. Transparency and accountability. Regulation can compel organizations to be transparent about their AI systems' workings, making it easier to trace decision-making processes and assign responsibility in case of errors or misconduct. Arguments against AI regulation. As the debate on AI regulation unfolds, we now turn our attention to the arguments against it, where innovation meets skepticism. Innovation and competition. Critics contend that stringent regulations might cast a shadow over AI innovation, potentially stifling the next generation of groundbreaking technologies. They argue that burdensome rules could discourage startups and hinder economic competitiveness. AI's rapid evolution. AI moves at the speed of thought, and critics argue that a rigid regulatory framework may become obsolete before it's even fully implemented. How can you regulate what's constantly evolving? AI developing too fast for regulators to keep up, says Oliver Dowden. In a rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, the UK's Deputy Prime Minister, Oliver Dowden, has sounded the alarm. He's concerned that AI's lightning-fast progress is leaving regulation in the dust. In a recent address at the UN General Assembly, Dowden urged international cooperation. He's calling for a global regulatory framework to keep AI in check. Dowden stressed the importance of proactive regulation. With AI advancing at warp speed, he's worried that global rules are lagging. To tackle these issues, the UK plans to host an AI safety summit at Bletchley Park. It's a gathering of world leaders, including Macron, Trudeau, and von der Leyen. While China's role is debated due to concerns, the summit aims to foster global collaboration, making AI safer for all. So, as AI races forward, the call for international AI regulations grows louder. Stay tuned for more updates on this critical issue. Global coordination. AI knows no borders. Inconsistent regulations across regions might hinder international collaboration and stunt the global growth of AI. Innovation in ethical AI. Some argue that instead of blanket regulation, we should foster innovation in ethical AI. Responsible developers can set industry standards through self-regulation and best practices. In conclusion, the question of whether to regulate AI is a complex puzzle, not a simple yes or no. While valid concerns regarding ethics, safety, and privacy support the case for regulation, we must tread carefully. Balancing innovation with accountability involves adapting to the specific context, creating regulatory frameworks that can keep pace with AI's rapid evolution, and fostering global collaboration for consistent standards. Ultimately, our goal is to harness the incredible power of AI for the betterment of society while mitigating its risks responsibly. Join us as we explore these intricacies further, navigating the evolving landscape of AI regulation together. According to a recent preliminary survey, the results reveal a noteworthy trend of increasing awareness and agreement among both European and US populations regarding the importance of carefully managing AI. These findings aren't just a snapshot, they tell a story of change over time. The study tracked responses longitudinally across multiple survey versions, demonstrating a growing consensus over the need for responsible AI management. It's a call to consider how to effectively manage or regulate AI technology in a manner that aligns with the values and expectations of a growing majority. Across the entire sample, weighted by the sample size of the United States and Europe, a staggering 91% agreed with the statement that artificial intelligence is a technology that requires regulation. Challenges in AI regulation. As we journey through the landscape of AI regulation, we encounter a host of challenges that continue to evolve in this digital age. AI has the power to amplify existing digital abuses, invading personal privacy, expanding non-competitive markets, and manipulating individuals. AI systems, shaped by their training data, can carry biases, leading to discrimination and harmful consequences. AI systems are often complex and expensive to develop and deploy, challenging regulators to keep pace with innovation and ensure ethical use. AI's hunger for data can raise privacy alarms, especially when data collection occurs without consent. And let's not forget the potential for AI to manipulate. AI algorithms can shape our personal and political viewpoints, potentially undermining democracy and society. Regulators worldwide are actively addressing these challenges. They're working to combat scams and manipulative applications. AI has been misused to deceive and exploit people, but steps are being taken to thwart such schemes. For example, the European Union has passed a groundbreaking law banning AI-powered facial recognition in public places. Example, in the realm of national security, AI emerges as a double-edged sword, a technology of immense potential and peril. Challenges for U.S. national security include the risk of AI-powered weapon systems, autonomous machines that could act without human intervention, the looming threat of AI-driven cyberattacks and espionage, a digital battleground, and the unsettling prospect of AI manipulating public opinion and elections. AI is a double-edged sword, both a threat and a promise, but it raises profound ethical and moral questions. Should we develop autonomous killing machines? Can we ensure AI is fair and unbiased? As AI unfolds, it's a tightrope walk for U.S. national security. How to regulate AI? Regulating AI is not a small task, but there are several avenues to steer its course. Ways to regulate AI include: first, transparency and accountability requirements. AI developers and users can be mandated to disclose how their systems work, what data they use, and how they're monitored, ensuring responsible and ethical use. Then, risk-based regulation. AI systems can be categorized by risk, tailoring regulations to their specific impact. High-stakes applications may face stricter rules than less risky uses. And sometimes, bans and restrictions. Certain AI applications, like mass surveillance with facial recognition, have been banned in some regions, but it's not just governments. Voluntary initiatives play a role too. Companies adopt ethical AI principles, and industry-led organizations work on AI standards and best practices. Let's look at some global examples. The European Union is shaping a comprehensive AI law, banning certain AI applications and imposing transparency and accountability requirements. In the United States, individual states have passed laws regulating facets like facial recognition and autonomous vehicles. China, on the other hand, enforces laws requiring AI companies to store data within its borders. Remember, AI regulation is in its early stages, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The context matters, but what's clear is that some form of regulation is crucial to ensure AI serves the greater good. So, as we reach the crossroads of AI's ascent, one question looms large: should we regulate AI? The answer isn't a simple yes or no, but rather a reflection of our collective wisdom. AI, a potent tool with boundless potential, demands our guidance. Regulation is not a stifling force, but a compass guiding AI's trajectory toward the greater good. It's about striking that balance, harnessing innovation while safeguarding ethics, privacy, and security. Remember, AI is a reflection of us, a reflection of our intentions. It holds the power to shape our world, for better or worse. So, should we regulate AI? The answer lies within us, in the choices we make, in the policies we craft, and in our commitment to ensuring AI serves humanity. As the AI journey continues, let us tread with caution, purpose, and a collective vision for a future where AI enriches, empowers, and elevates us all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for covering AI's complex, ever-evolving landscape.